Hello, all of you. Nice to see you here. We always think and try to make innovative things which we can implement to develop our future. I feel very proud to introduce my team members and also like to give introduction on our project. A name of our project is Password Protected Door Lock Security System. I feel very grateful to introduce Raj and Nanish as a circuit designer and also Raj done circuit connection of our project. Also great programming department handled by Pushkar and Nanish, and I am Pratiksha who analyze and make complete report gracefully. These credits also goes to our respected subject teacher and project head. We all are aware of the fact that there has been a sharp increase in criminal offenses like thief, robberies, assaults, murderers, etc. In the recent past, that is affecting our society on a large scale. So, the requirement for a well equipped home security system is definitely on the rise. Security is a main concern in our everyday life. The concept of new modern security system can help us to make secure ourselves from thief robberies, and this concept depends safe security system. Security represents protection of our life and assets. Ensuring safety of people and their valuable things is very important for the prevention of illegal handling. So we decide and stay keeping the same in mind we started working on this project. And I hand over this session to Jnanish.
Cost. As per Pratiksha addresses about this idea of project is to implement and password protect door lock security system. The system contains two device input process and the output device. The main input device is the keypad which will send all input data to the next device which is the Arduino. Arduino works here as a processing device. There is a 4 into 4 matrix inside the keypad. The row and column makes the circuit which which combination in automatic password Arduino based door lock security system. When we press the key, then the Arduino gets notified that which circuit is active right now, and there is the character assigned which the circuit which can be shown into the serial monitor. If you have some basic knowledge, then you can easily observe the character into the serial monitor. Here we can see that the working of the circuit as follows. So project works as a security of our home, office, etc. We applying power supply to a Arduino, which is head of our project. When 12-volt supply is applied through the circuit, the solenoid lock is open. We have to enter a 4 or 5 digit correct password using 4 into 4 matrix keypad, which we set and only give to the authorized person. After that our processor read the code number. If that the code is totally correct, then it gives command to the solenoid lock to open the door. That lock based is electromagnetic. When it is get electric charge, that time that displaced lock move back and door will be open, and we can enter or exit the room at the same time. That password is correct or wrong displayed on the display. That door will be closed automatically after few seconds because of the lock lose the electric charge after some time. It means we don't need to wait for checking the door lock perfectly or not. When we want to cross the door, we just have to enter a correct password. Remaining part will be explained by our next group member Pushkar.
Thanks, Nilesh. As we can see, this is basically a user-defined password-based circuit breaker where you can make your own password. Now, how you can enter your password? First, it will ask you the password to enroll the Then they enter 1 2 3 4 5 into the password, and now you can make your own password and process. When we press the key, Arduino gets the characters. Then the character will save into the Arduino memory. Then you need to enter another 3 characters to enroll the password into the system. And then you make your password to correct password. This is pretty easy. If you have any confusion to make it the password, here I am grateful to explain our working concept. Arduino Mega. Arduino Mega is open source prototyping platform based on easy to use hardware software. Second one is Matrix keyboard. Second is Matrix keyboard. The 4x4 Matrix keyboard is interface to the Arduino Mega to take the input from the user. Third is solenoid lock. Solenoid lock is also known as an actual lock. Is used to the actual locking for the doors and other systems. Then a relay. A relay is an electrical operating switch. Then LCD display. A liquid crystal display LCD is a flat panel display. Then last component is power supply. Remaining part will explain by Raj.
We are providing safety lock to make our family members and our future safe. As my teammates explain all about the project, that how we are safe, how we can use, what is purpose. So here I will explain you some extra information about our project. I want to tell you that some advantages of our project is password protected door lock security system, high security door lock, reduce cost in long run, customize your high security door locks and key control to meet your needs. Users rekeyable locks allow you to immediately with easy tracking system. Also, track serialized keys and cloud-based key tracking software. High security door locks ensure security key control, and there are already door lock security systems which is available in market for house, office, bank lockers, home lockers, parking lots, keypad based door lock, fingerprint based door lock, remote control based door lock, Bluetooth and keypad based door lock security systems, and multifunctions door locks. After all parts of explaining and from output, we are getting conclusion on this password protected door lock system is with the security system nowadays has become an important aspect to human life as the need was demanding nowadays. This system was built in order to meet the demand in security system. The automatic door lock system was built in order to help user in operating and opening their doors without using any key. In technology, advanced world, autonomous system and automatic systems are gaining rapid popular, so the advancement in largest technology is continuously and rapidly made on different latest automatic door lock system with the security. So thank you.